Legends of Learning presents the Mallard and Multiplication game. This is a math game that makes learning about fluently multiplying multi-digit whole numbers fun and easy to understand.
Use these plus and minus buttons to add or remove. Use these plus and minus buttons to add or remove.
Mallard and Multiplication let you explore a vibrant world while learning along multiplication step by step. Guided by Coco, you'll start with a full breakdown method to understand how to multiply multi-digit numbers in simple, easy-to-follow steps, making math clear, engaging, and enjoyable. Tap the screen or click the mouse to lay eggs. Use them strategically to dodge obstacles or grab power-ups. Use the mouse to click to lay eggs or insert numbers to complete math multiplication problems. Solve the problems to move on to the next level.
The total is 14, which is more than 9, so
Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
you have successfully solved the long multiplication problem using